Okay, hi guys, I'm Chris Dixon from InfoWeather. Here it's about 4 o'clock, January 26, 2015. People all over the nation in the Northeast are hunkering down for the great blizzard of 2015. The Weather Channel's calling this Winter Storm Juno. 5 things to know about this storm. 1, 2 feet of snow are possible in Pennsylvania, New Jersey, New York, Massachusetts, Connecticut, Rhode Island, and Maine. Blizzard warnings are across the whole East Coast. We'll get to all this stuff more in depth in a little bit. That's in effect now until midday tomorrow is really the most impactful times. Do not travel all day tomorrow, the rest of the day today, especially getting into later tonight. There will be major power outages throughout the things, and close to a flooding could occur, and hurricane force winds will be present at times. So far, what we know about this storm, accumulations here, we had 4 inches here in Westerville, Ohio. We had no school. York, Pennsylvania had 3 inches. Snow still trickling down there. They had a 2-hour delay. And Herndon, Virginia had 2 inches, and it's currently falling. We'll get to predictions for selected locations across the whole entire Northeast here shortly. Winter weather advisories for the east parts of West Virginia and Virginia, most of Pennsylvania, central New York, northern Vermont and New Hampshire, and all of Maryland and Delaware. A winter weather warning for southern Vermont, most of New Hampshire, all of Maine, Massachusetts, and New Jersey, and east New York and Pennsylvania are under winter weather warnings at this time. And blizzard warnings are in effect for all of Connecticut and all of Rhode Island. Eastern Massachusetts and New Jersey have blizzard warnings. In southeast New York and southeast Maine do have blizzard warnings right now. Looks like the heaviest amount of snow will fall in between Vermont, New Hampshire, southern border. Massachusetts will be slammed. New York City for sure. The western half of Connecticut and southern Maine for sure. They're going to get at least 2 feet of snow is what I'm predicting. Most of Maine is practically over, but let's not forget about the rest of the nation here. We have another clipper coming in right behind this. That could bring in some heavy snow to northern Wisconsin, Michigan, and Minnesota. North Dakota looks like it could get some stuff. Heavy snow in parts of British Columbia and Alberta. That looks like that could have some heavy snow, and it also looks like parts up in the Rockies are also getting pretty heavy snow at this time. Here are the National Weather Service predictions for inches of snow. Of course, this storm is a mixture of 3 things that equates to one thing. An extratropical low, an Alberta clipper, and a nor'easter have all combined to create this great big blizzard here. If you guys want to know more information, of course, contact NWS, whatever you want to do. It is on Wikipedia already. It's called the Blizzard of January 2015, I think. But yeah, Kingston, Massachusetts, 21 to 33 inches. Barnstable, Massachusetts, 9 to 15 inches. New Fields, New Hampshire, 15 to 23 inches. Providence, Rhode Island, 2 feet to 3 feet. Newport, Rhode Island, 23 to 34 inches. Hartford, Connecticut, 22 to 32 inches. Willimantic, Connecticut, 18 to 29 inches. Chicopee, Massachusetts, 19.5 to 29.5. But they aren't even on the blizzard warning. All these are on blizzard warnings unless otherwise noted. And they are just simply on a winter weather warning. Falmouth, Maine, 13 to 21 inches. Augusta, Maine, 12 to 20 inches. 6 Mile Falls, Maine, 14 to 21 inches. Philadelphia is going to get 9.5 to 18.5 inches. They're also on a winter weather warning. Trenton, New Jersey, 12 to 21 inches on a winter weather warning.